I saw this post on Reddit last night of a missing dog. Happened to be a white golden. I'm realizing that she might be easy to see from the air if we find her before snow. Able to get a visual on Meadow from the air. Pretty sure I'm gonna be trespassing, but it looks like she is stuck. She had a leash on and the snow melted enough to be able to see her from the air. I did a few passes. I can't believe it. I was able to spot Meadow. There you are, girl. I got you. Hi, baby. Hi. You're going home. Come here, girl. It's okay, baby. Meadow. Come, honey. Come here, baby. Meadow, come. Come here. It's okay. Come here. You want the stick? Daddy got treats. Treats? You want a treat? It's okay, baby. Yeah. Meadow. Meadow, come here, baby. Come here. So her leash is not still attached and she's laying up there. I'm trying to show her that I'm not a threat because we just had a little game of chase. Here. Come here. Yeah. Yeah. Sniffy, sniffy. Meadow's going home. Yeah. Let's get you home, baby girl. I still really can't believe that I was able to find her. It was kind of like a Hail Mary, you know, at least I could say that I tried. And I was about to give up. And, you know, I'd gone down to check out a couple white specks that I saw from the air and it was nothing. And then on one final pass, I saw that movement. I was like, that's gotta be her. There she is. Hey, baby. I want you to see your girl. And then I'll show you some more of the stuff from
girl. I think that's mine.
See how she got loose?
Yeah.
I don't know if that's chewed or just broken.
Well, yeah. What are you doing? That's my girl.
You have to get excited. Daddy's here.
My girl. You want to go see Mom? Huh? Yeah, these people rescued you.